Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by measuring flour, salt, and sugar, then cutting cold butter into cubes. This creates flaky layers because solid fat steams as it bakes. Once done, pulse or rub until pea-sized crumbs remain. Do not overwork the dough because gluten ruins tenderness. Slowly add 60-75 ml ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until dough just comes together. Make sure to press, not knead. You want visible butter bits. Wrap in plastic and chill for at least 30 minutes. Once chilled, flour your board lightly and roll the dough from center outward to maintain even thickness and preserve butter pockets. This yields flakiness. If cracks appear, press a small piece of chilled dough to patch. This prevents steam loss. Make sure the bottom fits the pan by lifting and rotating your dough. Trim to leave about 1 cm overhang, then fold under and crimp to seal. If making a lattice, cut top dough into strips and weave. Chill again before filling. You start by blind baking the shell 15 minutes at 200 degrees C with weights to set the crust, then lower to 175 degrees C to finish browning. This prevents a soggy base. Once cooled slightly, add your apple filling and bake until bubbling and golden. Vent or lattice the top so steam escapes. After baking, cool at least 2 hours to let juices thicken. If the bottom goes soggy, next time pre-bake longer or brush with beaten egg white before filling to create a moisture barrier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.